Hello budget people and welcome back to my channel. I'm She's on a Budget and today we are back for another video. In this video I'll be setting up my budget for the month of February, so if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in watching, stay tuned. Okay guys, so welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well. If you are a regular subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on yet another video. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Over on my channel I discuss all things budgeting related. I am showcasing my journey to becoming debt free. So yeah, if you find this video interesting or useful, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you are kept up to date with all of my future videos. Okay guys, so today I am going to be setting up my budget for February. I've already laid down my stickers for my monthly overview section. In this section I lay down my bill due stickers, so all the bills on their relevant dates that they are due to come out of my account, and I also lay down my payday stickers so I know when I'm going to receive some income into the home. So I generally receive money in on a weekly basis. On a Friday, I get paid from my full-time job on the 26th of every month, and I also receive my Etsy income on a Monday. So that is the reason why I've laid out my stickers in the way that you see. I have a key at the top of my page here, and these are my expense stickers, so I can see which expense correlates with each colour. I've got a range of different pinks in this kit for this month. It is my eldest daughter's birthday month, so we've kind of gone with like a girly theme for her. I've got my utility sticker, a beige for my fuel sticker, another pink for household. Groceries is like a brown, and then I have another type of beige for unbudgeted expenses, but we are hoping that we don't see many of them this month. But yeah, this is how I set up my monthly overview spread. Okay, so I have my February budget kit, and I'm going to first lay down my stickers before I write my budget. So I'm just going to do a quick time lapse and show you how I do that. And that is all done. So yeah, I really do love laying down my stickers at the beginning of the month, just to let you know all the stickers that you see in my spread I sell in my Etsy store, and the link for my shop is in the description box below. So yeah, any stickers that you see, any cash envelopes that you see, I make myself. So do check out the store guys if you are interested. But yeah, we are ready to start our budget. First thing I'm going to look at is my income. So I'm going to put the sources of the income in this section here, and I've got my full-time salary, and this month I'm predicting it to be about the same amount that I received last month, so that would be £1,930, so 1,930. And then my variable income, so usually I kind of put my variable income separate to my Etsy income, but I'm just going to group them together. So that will be £532 plus the £30 that I take from Etsy, so we're looking at 562. And then the last income or source of income that I have will be the rollover that I have from last month's so rollover was £435. Okay, so those are my sources of income. I'm just going to add those up. Is £2,927. The next thing I'm going to write down are my fixed expenses. And I'm really pleased guys, because I seem to be having less and less direct debits coming out of my account each month, which has been like my plan for such a long time. So yeah, I'm really pleased about this. And I saw one of your comments today actually, in terms of looking at how far I've come with my budget and how different even like the video looks. And obviously I've managed to like get my head around technology slightly, and also just how my budget has changed over the last year. So if you want me to do like maybe like some kind of like comparison budget, like my old budget versus my new budget, do let me know. I was thinking of doing a video about that, but let me know if you'd be interested in seeing how much it has changed over the last 12 months and how I've actually managed to, you know, make those changes. But yeah, this is drastically reduced. So in terms of fixed expenses, I've got my sinking funds, I'm going to be paying £300 towards my sinking funds this month. And then my debt payment. So my debt payment is going to be the same. I've already filmed my debt payoff video, but the amount that I'm paying is going to still be the same. It's just going to be distributed across different debts now. So £135. Okay, and then DVLA is next. So this is my car tax, which is £13.12. And then council tax, which is £122. And then my rent, which is £1,050. I've got my Virgin Media. My Virgin Media this month is actually going to be £0, guys. I'm just going to put a line there. I'm just going to tell you a quick story about that. At the beginning of the year, I was paying about £60 towards internet, TV and all that stuff. And it just turned out that the children weren't watching half of the channels, well, not even a quarter of the channels that we had. And yeah, so I decided to reduce that down, and that managed to bring it down to half the amount I was paying. So I was paying approximately £30. And then obviously being at home during lockdown and trying to teach online, the internet was not coping with the amount of users on the internet at the same time. So I phoned them up and complained and just said, you know, I really don't think this is worth the amount of money that I'm paying each month. And they've managed to reduce my bill now by an extra £10. So it was £62, went down to £32. Because I made those changes mid-month, they've kind of prorated the payment now, which means that I don't have to make a payment now until March. So I don't have to pay any money in terms of Virgin Media this month. But yeah, it's just a good idea to ring your internet provider. Don't sit there if you have really bad connection or you're not happy with your service. There's always something they can do, guys. So just thought I'd give you that little tip there. And then next I have my rollover for March. So I'm always trying to make sure that I can contribute to the following month's bills. Even if it's just like a cushion, guys, because what I don't want to do is end up having a lump sum at the end of the month and think that I can just like pay that towards debt, and then I'm struggling the following month. So I've worked out that I need approximately like £400 each month to roll over into the next. So I'm going to take that out, or make that an expense now, so that I don't forget to take that out before I add any extra money to Debt Snowball. Okay, and then the last one I have is tithe. So tithe is going to be getting £250 this month. Okay, so I'm just going to add these all up. £2,305.12. Okay, and then on to my variable expenses. So my variable expenses this month are my groceries, my household, utilities, and my fuel. So those are my categories, and then in terms of the amounts that I predict that I want to spend or predict that I will be spending in each of these categories. My groceries, I'm budgeting £160. Household is going to get 40. Utilities is 80, and fuel is also getting 80. So yeah, they're similar numbers to what you've probably seen me use for a while. I was tempted to increase my groceries budget up to £200 this month, but I feel like it's just like a sliding slope to me just, you know, spending more rather than trying to restrain. So I'm going to leave it at £160. That way I can try and be as diligent as I can to stay within that. So yeah, we're going to leave it like that for this month. If we're still over budget, then I probably will change it for March's budget. Okay, so I'm just going to total these up. That's £360. Okay, so as I said before, I will come in at the end of the month and I will put down my actual figures for all of these expenses as well. Okay, looking at my breakdown now, so I just want to see or try and predict how much money I'll have at the end of the month left over. So I'm going to just put down my income here and my fixed expenses, and my variable. Okay, so now I can put down my income. So it's 2927, so 2,927. My fixed expenses are £2,305 and 12 pence, and then my variable expenses are £360, and I'm going to be taking away obviously my expenses from my income to find out what will be left over. So we've got 2927 minus 2305.12 minus 360, which is £261.88. Okay, so that's approximately the amount of money that I'll have left over at the end of the month. So hopefully if we manage to stay within our budgets for, you know, our variable expenses, it will be quite a nice amount that I can add to my debt snowball for an extra debt payment. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please let me know how things are going with you. Have you done your February budget yet? If so, is it looking good? How is the month looking for you? If you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you are kept up to date with all of my latest videos, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Have a good day.